Okay, make a box and whisker plot given the data below. So we're going to take this data and make our own box and whisker plot. So first things first, we're going to put it in order from least to greatest. So our first number is 48, then 51, 52, 57, 64, 72, 73, and 86. Okay, so I have them in order from least to greatest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just always make sure your numbers match up. So we are going to find our lowest value is 48. Our highest value is 86. Our median is going to fall right here. Okay, between 57 and 64. So it's going to be 3, 7, so 3.5. So it's going to be 60.5 is going to be our median. To find our lower quartile, we're going to find the median of this first half of data, which would be here, which would be 51.5. And then this one would fall right here, which is 72.5. Our lowest number is 48. So I'm going to put a dot. I'm going to put a dot on 51.5. I'm going to put a dot on 60.5, 72.5, and 86. Remember, we connect the inside dots. We draw a line through them like this, connect the bottom and the top, and then throw an extension out there for those whiskers. Okay, so that defines our box and whisker plot. What is a median? Okay, so number 2 is just talking about this specific data. The median is this dot right here, which is going to be 3. Range is going to be your greatest minus your least. So 8 minus 1, which is 7. And then the inner quartile range is going to be this upper quartile minus this lower quartile, which is 5 minus 2, which I have 3 on that. And then what percentage of data is between 1 and 5? So it's between this and this. So we have 25, 50, 75. So we have 75% of the data fall between 1 and 5. Okay, that should complete your notes section. I need you to go on into the second page and do the 9-2 homework page. Thanks.